Hi children. Yeah. Here my question is, why are clouds important? First of all, tell me, what are clouds? Do you know about clouds, children? And can you tell me, have you noticed the sun getting hidden in the sky? What hides the sun? Why are clouds important for us? Can you answer, children? Yes. On some days, clouds appear in the sky and hidden the sun. Yes, children? Yes. And also, most clouds bring rain. Yes or no, children? First of all, the clouds are important for us. Why? Because it brings rain. Okay. So, today we are going to discuss about the clouds. Okay, children? Let's start the class. Yes, I will show some pictures here. See, the sun is hidden by the clouds. Yes or no? Yes, and this clouds brings the rain. In second picture, you can see the rain. Isn't it, children? So, here the sky, in the sky, the sun is hidden and most clouds bring rain. Okay, children? Yes. See here, children, we are learning the topic about in the sky, block 20. And today we will learn about different types of clouds. Okay, open your textbook and see block number 20. You have some pictures of clouds. See that? Yes. Now tell me, what is the difference between the clouds you observed in the book? You find so many types of clouds in the book. Yes, children? Yeah. All are same or different? Whether you have noticed any change in it? Yes. Some clouds are thin and some are thick. Some clouds look white in color and some clouds are grey in color or black in color. Yes, children? See here. What we observed in the book, children? Yes, some clouds are thin, some are thick and some clouds white in color. Some are grey or black in color and some also like puffy cotton. Okay, do you know cotton, children? Yes, it looks like a cotton balls. Do you observe? Some look as a sheet, one paper sheet. Okay, so we can see clouds in different types. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, children, do you remember? Do you know how clouds form? Why are clouds different from each other in that picture? Do they change with the weather, children? Which of these are rain clouds? Can you tell? Why do you think so? Yeah. Do you remember about water cycle in previous lesson? You can see here in that picture, keep the finger near the ocean. You can see evaporation. Means the water, yes, what happened? The water is going up due to the sunrise. Yes, vapors, steams. And what happens? In the air, it becomes cool. Yes or no? Many such drops of water, it becomes cool and forms a cloud. In that picture, you can see cloud formation. Many small droplets of the water together forms a cloud. Okay, children? And some clouds may have less water droplets and some may have more heavy. Okay, dense, what we call dense. In second cloud, you can see it has dense of water. That's why it is falling as a rainfall. Okay. What happened, children, here? Water vapors from water bodies rises up in the sky. The air is cold there, very cold. That's why it is the water vapors cools down to form a droplets of water and that droplets of water forms into a cloud. Children, many drops makes a big cloud. Okay, what we call heavy cloud or dense with the help with the water droplets. So, it forms a big cloud to fall a rainfall. Okay, children? And also see, the clouds are different in different weathers also. You can see some light clouds. See here, the cloud is very light with white color. Yes, white in color. And they may not bring the rain to us. Why? Because it is not dense It is not grey in color or it is not black in color. Yes, such clouds are also seen when weather is good. When the weather is very pleasant also we can see this. Yes children. But when the clouds are very dark or black, I mean grey, or the meaning is there you get a rainfall. See here, the clouds are very grey or black in color. Then what will happen? We will get the rain. Okay children, grey or black in color are heavy with water droplets and brings rain to us. Okay, some may bring rain after some time. Some will give at that time only and some clouds will give later. But rain is compulsory. Okay children, how the cloud should be when we get the rain? The clouds are grey or black in color. Okay, clouds move with the moving air. Okay, now tell me, would night falls cloud hide the sun? If the sun is hiding behind the clouds, then immediately we are getting the night, children. No, then tell the reason. If yes, also tell the reason. Yeah, see again I will show one picture for you. Actually, we won't get the night. Okay, first picture is night. We cannot see the clouds, sometimes we can see, but there is no sun. In second picture, that is the daytime. So we can see the sun brightly. But see that third picture, this is not the night. Why? Because the sun is hidden by the clouds, but we won't fall the night. Okay children, only night falls when the sun sets only. Okay, the sun is hidden behind the clouds, but it present in the sky. Understood children? It is present in the sky. Only when we get the night, we get the night only when the sun sets. Okay children, in the night time we cannot see the sun. So this is about the clouds. Open your textbooks children. Children, take the textbook page number 126. Clouds. Clouds are formed when tiny drops of water in the sky join together. These water drops forms when water vapor cools down. Clouds can be seen in the day as well as at night. They are of different shapes and size. Different types of clouds you can see in this picture. Some clouds are white in color and can be seen in clear weather. Clouds which are black or grey in color brings rain immediately after some time. Every dark and thick clouds can bring heavy rain and storms. Clouds are important to us because they bring rain with them. Okay children, open your volumes now. Page number 23, write the date. Clouds. Why are clouds important children? Yeah, for what purpose we need clouds? To get the rain. Very good, right here. How are clouds different from each other? How many types of clouds we have seen? Some are white, some are grey or black, some are sheet like. Yes or no? You should write here. Now third one. Look at the clouds. What will the weather be like? Why do you think so? See that picture? How the weather look like? Write the reason. Fourth one. See the fourth question children. Bunny couldn't see the sun on a cloudy day. She thought that it would soon be night. She thought that she didn't see the sun. Why? Because it was very cloudy. So what happened here? The sun is hidden by the cloud. Yes or no children? We are getting night if there is no sun hidden by the clouds. No, we won't get the night. Then she thought that we are getting night. Was she right children? No. Then why she thought like that? Write the reason here.